Hey guys, this is Michelle and I'm going to show you how to install your seat on your Kooper RS2 stroller. So here's your seat, I'm holding it. I like to start from the bottom up when you're putting it on, so I'll lean the stroller back on its handlebar. And I'll take this bottom of the seat here, a little Velcro, and you want to put it over this bar right here. Nice and snug, and connect that Velcro. Then the next thing I'm going to do is pull this strap over the frame bars here. Secure that, just like that. All right, now we can put it up. Next thing you want to do is attach these straps to the D-rings. So you're going to want, here's the D-ring, and here's a little loose part. I don't know what to call it. But you're going to want to go under that and then over it. Okay, so I got that through and through okay, so I've got it around and through the D-ring slit. And you're going to give it a little tug. Make sure it's tight. You're good to go on that one. This one, I haven't pushed it through. Here, so you can see. Now it's going through the slit in the D-ring, and I just have to push that through. There we go. Nice and snug. All right. Now for the wings on the seats. There's a little Velcro on the back of the canopy and the seat, so you can put that together. And then you're just going to want to reconnect those two buttons on each side. Don't forget to snap the back of the canopy onto the back of the seats. 1, 2. You can sit your seat back up. Remember to do your other side here, and you're good to go.